All right, gang, it's your boy Nature, aka Nature, gang. All right, gang. So we're back for another video. All right, gang. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down basically what happened last night. With gold, Aussie, just showing y'all a few tricks, giving y'all a few tips, which I will be doing, for the rest of my life. So don't worry about it, gang. You know, let the market come to you. You don't understand the market, study. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to be breaking down videos for y'all, constantly, especially next year. I'm going to be breaking down hella videos for y'all. So you don't even have to worry. Like, eventually it'll come to you. I'm doing all this so y'all can be able to trade and make money in this market. Okay, that's the whole point of doing this, is for y'all to be able to trade and be able to make money in this market and be able to make 6 figures in this market, 7 figures, 5 figures in this market. All right. And so that's the whole point of me doing it for y'all. So don't even worry, gang. If you don't understand it, I'm gonna keep breaking down videos after videos after videos until y'all understand it. Keep giving y'all tips, keep helping you with your psychology and everything until you understand the game. So don't even worry. So all right, let's start. All right, so boom, like you can see right here, we had put a box around here because this is around the time when the market was just opening, like 6:30 right here, 7 o'clock around here. So it was consolidating right here. You can see it was consolidating. It finally broke this consolidation. You can see right here, it finally broke it. We're in an uptrend. You can see we're in an uptrend. But it was consolidating. Look, going up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Not really having no structure, nothing right here until it actually broke. You see this green candlestick, this robo candlestick finally breaking through. Then right here, it was a little consolidation again. So I put a box around it. Boom, boom, finally broke it. Boom. Winding going to 805. Next key level is 810. Next key level is 815. All right, it went all the way to 814. Like I said, price sometimes will go all the way close to 815, but it won't always go there. It'll go short to it. Just take the pips, take what the market gives you, take profit, and get out that trade because um, the market, gold moved very very fast. Like now we're back in a downtrend. All right, so it was making higher highs. Look, higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. It was really like you see a lot of wicks right here and stuff. Like yeah, price was it's Friday, and price was just like fluctuating up and down a lot. So you have to be patient, with this market. All right, and understanding it. Like if you don't understand it right now, it's okay. You'll come to it. Like draw your trend line. Get comfortable with drawing trend lines. Like draw your trend line. Here you go from we can draw it from here. Boom. A, B, C, right? Boom. Lets you know we're in an uptrend, right? If the candles are above the trend line, above this trend line, we're in an uptrend. Okay, this is another trick that you can remember, all right, that can help you in this market. If the trend line is if the candles are above this trend line, then we're in an uptrend. If the candles are below this trend line, like you see the candles are below this trend line, we're in a downtrend. All right, so that's like a trick. You can see it's consolidating, draw the boxes, consolidation. You don't want to get in when it's consolidating because the market is just going up and down and it's not really making a decision until we see this higher high right here. You see this higher high, boom, 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 boom. Another higher low right here, another little higher low, another higher high. Once we see this higher high, this break out of the box, the consolidation is no more there. Okay, so keep the boxes there though to help you. Like once the market like goes up an uptrend, strong uptrend, it'll start consolidating, or or once the market is just like opening back up, it'll start consolidating. So be aware around that, like 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. Don't think okay the market's going up. Like yeah, but like it's consolidating, so you have to wait for it. You just draw a box around that and you wait for price to break the box. But this is another trick right here. Draw your trend line. Boom. Once price breaks, once the candles are above the trend line, we're in an uptrend. All right. When the candles are below the trend line, we're in a downtrend. You can see we're in a downtrend right now. Boom, boom, downtrend. And what? The candles are below the trend line. So we're in a downtrend. You see the candles are above this trend line, so we're in an uptrend. All right, so these are little tricks that can help y'all gain. Like, this is a head and shoulder pattern. Look, shoulder, boom, head, boom, shoulder, boom, back down, right? I explained that already, the head and shoulder pattern. Like, I'll put it on here again real fast for y'all again. Like, head and shoulder, boom. You usually see a head and shoulder pattern at the top of an uptrend, at the end of an uptrend. So this is the end of an uptrend. This one you'll see a head and shoulder pattern at the end of an uptrend. So you can see shoulder, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, boom, back down, right? Boom. It broke the neckline. This is the neckline. Boom, boom, heading back down. What did price do? You see this at the end of an uptrend. At the end, so it's the end of an uptrend. So you see left shoulder, head, right shoulder, boom, head and shoulder pattern. So you like I said, you usually see that at the end of an uptrend. So this uptrend is over. It's now in a downtrend. Remember, trend line, candles above the trend line, uptrend. Candles below this trend line, downtrend. All right, so practice. You have to wait until the market actually shows you some type of, you see wicking right here, sellers are in control, boom, like, you have to, like, look at the candlesticks formations, head and shoulder patterns, different patterns, shooting star, Mariposa candlestick pattern, um, bearish engulfing pattern at the top of an uptrend. You'll usually see a bearish engulfing pattern, meaning the red candle is engulfing the green candle. So, like, timing is and being patient is everything. All right, like, and take your profits. Like, okay, like, take your profit. Like, boom, price from here, from basically 1795. Boom. If we want to, we can go to 1795. I believe price is we'll head back down to 1795. We're now in a downtrend, and we'll eventually go to eventually go back down like to like 1790, 1770, 1785, 1780 before heading back up. So like I said, the candles are below this trend line. We're in a downtrend. Candles are above this candles are above the trend line. We're in an uptrend. But like I said, take your profit, all right? Like, you want to have more wins than you do losses, all right? Especially in this market, you want to win more times than you lose. So take your wins, all right, and take your profits, all right? And you want to practice on being consistent and look at structure. See what structure and the candles are doing. If it's making higher highs and higher lows and higher highs, making higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, boom, get out the trade. It went 1815, almost to 1815. Get out the trade. Don't be greedy. Boom. Be patient. Wait for price to show you a lower low, another lower high, a lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay, we're in a downtrend. Draw your trend line. The candles are below this trend line. We're in a downtrend. Candles are above this trend line. We're in an uptrend. All right. So you have to be patient when it comes to this market until it gives you a reason to get in. Once price or the candles give you a reason to get in, once it breaks a key level, then you can get in the trade. All right. So timing is everything. All right, and being patient is everything. And let your take profits run. All right, you see price like I got in right around like 11, 12, like at the top, right? Boom. But I seen it start to retrace. It's going to retest. Don't be scared. Let it play out. Like, let it play out. All right. Let structure do what it's supposed to do. Make lower highs, lower lows, and lower highs, and lower lows, and lower highs, and lower lows. All right. So practice. Be patient. Don't get discouraged. Work on your confidence. Working on being consistent. All right. So you can become a full-time trader and you can do this for the rest of your life. You can do this full-time for the rest of your life or part-time for the rest of your life. All right, gang. So I'll be breaking down more videos. Gang.